Welcome back to the Metaenga's video tutorial series on getting started with our XR training platform. In this episode, we'll guide you through the process of signing up and getting your account set up. So let's dive in. To get started, visit our website at metaenga.com. Once you're there, look for the sign up button on the homepage and click on it. This will take you to the sign up screen. And on the sign up screen, you'll be prompted to enter your first and last name, email address, and company name. So fill in the required information and click the continue button. And after clicking continue, you'll see a screen letting you know that a confirmation email has been sent to your email address. Now, go to your email inbox and look for the confirmation email from Metaenga. Open the email and click on the provided link, and this will redirect you back on the Metaenga sign up page. Here, you'll need to create a password and agree to our terms and conditions. And once you've done that, click on the sign up button. And that's it, you've successfully created your Metaenga account. And now it's time to download the Metaenga application for your VR headset. In your account, you'll see a pop-up prompting you to download the application. This will take you to the Oculus's or Pico store page for the Metaenga application. And once you're on the store page, follow the instructions to initiate the installation of the Metaenga application onto your headset. After the installation is complete, put on your VR headset and open the Metaenga application. You'll be prompted to log in using the same credentials you used to create your account on the website. Enter your email address and password and click the login button. And congratulations, you've successfully logged into the Metaenga application. And to ensure that your headset is linked with your Metaenga profile, you can check the devices page on the Metaenga website. Simply navigate to the devices section and you should see your VR headset listed there. And this indicates that your device has been successfully added to your profile. And that wraps up our episode on getting started with Metaenga XR training platform. In the next episode, we'll explore the key features and functionalities of the platform, so stay tuned.